Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 18, Display Ad Formats. In this lesson, we'll cover the key display ad formats used in advanced pay-per-click (PPC) advertising, helping you choose the right format to maximize engagement and conversions. 1. Banner ads. Description: traditional rectangular ads placed on web pages. Common sizes: leaderboard 728 by 90 pixels. Medium rectangle 300 by 250 pixels. Benefits: high visibility, ideal for brand awareness. 2. Rich media ads. Description: interactive ads with elements like video, audio, or animations. Features: expandable and floating ads. Benefits: higher engagement rates. Dynamic user experience. 3. Video ads. Description: short video clips shown before, during, or after video content. Benefits: captures attention quickly. Effective for storytelling and product demos. Understanding and using the right display ad formats can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your PPC campaigns by increasing user engagement and driving conversions.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.